Finally, Knuckles is sleeping. Very loud, actually. Thank you. And the TV is not playing. There's a beetle. I hear hiccups. It's the job for Knuckles Hiccup Specialist. Knuckles, stop this right now. You're hiccuping. Okay. Let me just stop it. Look, son, I'm just you. What? I'm not gonna help you. Wow. I don't want this day to get any worse. What? What is that? What is that? What is that? Meh, that's just my big short push. Okay, time to play some Minecraft. You have to be. Okay, time to speed run. Yes, I beat the iron dragon. 10 minutes later of Sonic screaming. Wait. Not hiccuping anymore. Yeah! Ten hours of Sonic hiccuping. 1 hour. Finally. That wasn't me, right? Oh no. That's Knuckles. No! End of the video.